look at this topic, Surds. So we're going to start at the orders of Surds. Orders of Surds. So we have different orders of Surds. Let's say we have Surd 2, Surd 3, Surd 4. Then here 2. Okay. So this one is order of 2. Order of 2. Then this one is order of 3. The sign is the one that gives us the order. So here it's a square root. That's why we are saying it's an order of 2. Then this one is a cube root. It gives us the order of 3. Then fourth root will give us the orders of 4. Fifth root will give us the orders of 5. So these are the orders of Surds. So let us move the addition of Surds. Let's look at the addition of Surds. So we have Surd 2 plus Surd 2. So they are the same. Surd 2 is the same as Surd 2. So addition of Surds, we only add if the value inside the Surd is the same. If the values inside the Surds are not the same, then it will remain the way it is. But here the values inside the Surds are the same. So we will add Surd 2 plus Surd 2, then we will get 2 Surd 2. If we are not able to do that, we can say like this, let Surd 2 be x. So if Surd 2 is x, you replace x plus x. Then x plus x is equals to 2x. So after reaching here, remember you said Surd 2 is equals to x. So you replace where there is x with Surd 2. So it is 2 Surd 2. That's addition. Then let's see if you are given an example of different numbers inside the Surds. Like you have Surd 2 plus Surd 3. So such a question will remain the way it is because the numbers inside the Surds are not the same. So the answer will just remain to be Surd 2 plus Surd 3. That will be the answer. So let us look at multiplication. But before multiplication, let us look at subtraction. But subtraction is just the same as addition. It applies the same laws. So if we have Surd 3 minus Surd 3, these are the same number. Surd 3, the answer will be 0. So Surd 3 minus Surd 2, this one will remain the way it is because the numbers inside the Surds are not the same. The numbers inside the Surds are not the same. So here we subtract the numbers if the values inside the Surds are the same. So if we have 2 Surd 5 minus Surd 5, then this one will work out because we have Surd 5, Surd 5. So it is 2 Surd 5, then there is 1 Surd 5, but 1 is, you can just leave it like that. There's no need of writing here 1. So it is 2 Surd 5 minus Surd 5. The answer will be Surd 5. You can do the same as we did the addition. You say let Surd 5 be unknown. So you replace, that is 2x minus x. Then you remain with x. So if this is x, then you replace. The answer will be Surd 5. So it is your choice how you will work out. If you get this one, well and good. If you understand this one, better for you. So let us do multiplication and addition. Multiplication and addition. So multiplication and addition, they are a bit different from multiplication and division. Is a bit different from addition and subtraction. So here we say this is multiplication and division. This is multiplication and division. So in multiplication, if we have log 2 multiplied by log 3. So in multiplication, we multiply the numbers outside the surds alone, then the numbers inside the surds alone. So here we have 1, and also here we have 1. So we'll say 1 times 1 is 1. Then 2 times 3 is surd 6. So we multiply differently. The numbers outside the surds alone, then the numbers inside the surds alone. This one doesn't matter if the numbers are the same or not, but they will work out. So let's say again example 2. You have surd 2 multiplied by surd 2. So this one, here is 1, here is 1. So that is 1 times 1, 1. Then 2 times 2, it is 4. So it will be surd 4. But surd 4, we have the answer. The square root of 4 is 2. So here the answer will be 2. You simplify further. But if that number inside the surd doesn't have any square root, just leave it the way it is. If it is surd 3, just leave it there. That's the answer. But here it is surd 4. So surd 4, we have the answer, that is 2. That is why you go further and write 2 as your answer. So let us do this. It is 2 surd 7 multiplied by 3 surd 2. So I said, in multiplication we multiply the numbers outside the bracket first, then the numbers inside the brackets. So here we have 2 times 3, that is 6. So 6. Then inside the surds we have 7 and 2. So 7 times 2, that is 14. So we have 6 surd 14. So that is the answer. Let us work on division. So this one we are done. Let us do this one. So division, have surd 7 divided by surd 2. So we are having surd 7 divided by surd 2. These one, the numbers are not the same. Inside the surd we have 7 and we have 2. So surd 2 cannot go through surd 7. So this one will just remain the way it is. The answer is surd 7 over surd 2. That is the answer. So what about this one? You have 2 surd 14 divided by 2 surd 7. 2 surd 14 divided by 2 surd 7. So we do this, 2 surd 14 divided by 2 surd 7. But there is 2 at the numerator, then 2 at the denominator. So we can cancel this one. Then this will remain to be the answer. That is surd 14 over surd 7. So that is the basics of surds. So we are going to move at the combination of addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So let us move at that. So let us look at this example. We have surd 3 over 2 plus surd 2 over 3. So it's a combination of division and addition. So these are fractions. These are fractions. So we treat these questions as any other fractions. So this is surd 3 over 2 plus surd 2 over 3. So we look at the LCM of the denominators. That is 2 and 3, which is 6. So we'll say 2 goes into 6 how many times? 3 times. Then 3 times surd 3 is 3 surd 3. And add 3 goes into 6 how many times? 2 times. Then 2 times surd 2, that is 2 surd 2. Then we have 3 surd 3 plus 2 surd 2 over 6. So we don't have any common number that can divide 2, 3 and 6. We don't have. So that will remain to be the answer. 3 surd 3 plus 2 surd 2 over 6. The answer will remain to be that one. So let us look at example 2. 2 surd 3 plus 3 surd 2 over 2 surd 3 minus 3 surd 2. So this one is 2 surd 3 plus 3 surd 2 over 2 surd 3 minus 3 surd 2. So this one will handle it by multiplying the denominator and the numerator by the conjugate of denominator. So the conjugate of denominator, we just pick the denominator, full of it, then we change the sign. That will be the conjugate of denominator. So we multiply by its conjugate, which is 2 surd 3, then we change the sign, plus 3 surd 2. Then we do the same here, multiply by 2 surd 3 plus 3 surd 2. So 2 surd 3 multiplied by 2 surd 3, that is 2 times 2, that is 4. Then 3 times 3, 9. So 4 surd 9 plus 2 surd 3 multiplied by 3 surd 2, that is 2 times 3, 6. Then 3 times 2 surd 6. They are together. Then we move this one. 3 surd 2 multiplied by 2 surd 3. So we pick 3 times 2, that is 6. Then surd 2, this is 2 times 3 inside the surd, that is surd 6. Then 3 surd 2 multiplied by 3 surd 2, this is 3 times 3, that is 9. Then 2 times 2, that is, we have surd 4. So move the denominator part. 2 surd 3 multiplied by 2 surd 3, so it is 2 times 2, that is 4. Then inside the surd, we have 3 times 3, that will be surd 9. Add 2 surd 3 multiplied by 3 surd 2. So outside the surd, we have 2 times 3, that is 6. Then inside the surd, we have 3 times 2. Inside the surd, that is 6. Then we move this one. Negative 3 surd 2 multiplied by 2 surd 3. So outside the surd, we have negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6. Then inside the surd, we have 2 times 3, that is inside the surd. Then negative 3 surd 2 multiplied by 3 surd 2. Outside the surd, we have negative 3 times 3, that is negative 9. Then inside the surd, we have 2 times 2. That falls inside the surd, that is 4. Then we cancel. So surd 9, because the square root of 9 is 3, so we will replace this one with 3. That is 4 times 3 plus, here we have surd 6 plus 6 surd 6. So this is addition of surds. So we will say 6 plus 6, that is 12 surd 6. Remember, we don't add inside the surds. In addition, we add only values that are outside the surds. So this is 6 surd 6 plus 6 surd 6. So we only add 6 plus 6. Then we pick one value here, then it is 2 surd 6. Plus this 9 surd 4. So 4 has a square root of 2. So we will replace this one with 2. That is 9 times 2. Then we move to the denominator. In denominator we have 4 surd 9. So again surd 9 it is 3. So we replace 4 times 3. then plus, here is positive 6 at 6 and negative 6 at 6, so they cancel. Then negative 9 at 4, 4 has a square root which is 2, so we replace this one with 2. That is minus 9 times 2. And 4 times 3, that is 12, plus 12 at 6, plus 9 times 2, that is 18, over 4 times 3, that is 12, minus 9 times 2, that is 18. So you have two whole numbers at the numerator, that is 12 and 18. So it is 12 plus 18. Plus 18 and plus 12 side 6 over 12 minus 18. So 12 plus 18, that is 30. 30 plus 12 side 6 over 12 minus 18, that is negative 6. So with our whole numbers, we have 30, 12, and 6. So we have common numbers that can divide 30, 12, and 6, which is 6. So here we'll put 6 outside the bracket, 6. Then here is 5 plus 2 side 6. So that when you pick 6 times 5, that is 30. Then 6 times 2 side 6, that is 12 side 6 over negative 6. So this one goes with this one. So we remain with 5 plus 2 side 6 over negative 1. So this negative sign affects here and here. So it will change to be negative 5 minus 2 side 6. So this is the correct answer.